Blessings. Blessings to you all. Hi, I'm Lydia John, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got these voluminous curls on day 4 hair. From drab to fab. I hate myself. This is day 4 hair, and while I like to rock it like undefined sometimes, this is not cute. Looks like I just woke up and not in the Beyonce way. I just like to start off with massaging my scalp because since my hair is so fine at the top, it lacks volume. So I like to make sure that when I'm doing my next step, the flatness doesn't get in the way. So after that, you can see that my hair is like a lot more voluminous. I like to do this just to avoid my hair getting too flat at the top. So I'm gonna go in with this little spray bottle. It just has water in it, and I'm gonna spray like my mid shaft and ends. Okay, I'm gonna start by doing the bottom. It's like practically straight at this point. But I'm just continuing to scrunch. You can see already like how different that looks, just adding some water and nothing else. Okay, so now I like to go in with my BounceCurl Light Cream Gel. Take about like a quarter size amount for each side and rake it through like so. Oh, she tangled, but this one has really good slip, so I'm getting it out pretty easily. Then I like to scrunch and hold it. Yeah, I really like this product because it's super hydrating and it actually has a pretty good hold. I was a little worried when I saw that it was light hold, but then I was like, who are you kidding? Like, I have some fine hair. Like, I don't know why I need such an extreme hold if I have barely any hair. But with the microfiber towel, I just continue the same scrunching motions as I did with my hands. This just absorbs the excess water while keeping the product in. Now I'm going to take down the remaining hair. I'm splitting it in 2 sections and just repeating the same steps. I love this stuff, especially because it's vegan. It's like, wow, you're clean and you're good for my hair. I do the same for the other side. It's crazy. Before I started doing the curly girl method, like, about 5 years ago, I always associated scrunching with like that super hard cast LA Colors gel. That was the only option back in like 2000. And it just was not cute. It was like crusty, honey. As you can see, there's some clumping occurring over here. So to encourage that, I like to just shake out my roots. So any curls that aren't formed yet, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and get it together. I don't know about you guys, but the front sections of my hair are the most in need of love. Like, they always need more product than the rest of my hair because they've just suffered the most chemical damage from coloring and styling and just like heat damage. Like, the fronts of my hair are still recovering from all of that. So they're also exposed to the most pollution. They're always manipulated the most, like even when we're just like tossing our hair over like that, trying to be a bad bitch. But yeah, these little ones suffer, so I always go in with some extra product. So in order to get that definition at the front, I like to go in with the avocado and rose oil clump and define cream from BounceCurl. But only use a little bit of this because the shit is heavy. It did not come to play. I really just took like, it's like a dime-sized amount. It's for such a fine part of my hair too that I don't like to go crazy with it. So I'm just scrunching the top parts of my hair. The front top part of my hair. It's like that first layer. You just need to figure out which parts of your hair need more product than the rest of them. I feel like I'm still learning every day. Then I'm going in with my microfiber towel again and scrunching. So this is the part where I like to just let my hair soak in the product naturally.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I just finished diffusing all of my hair. It looks something like this. And now for my favorite part. I'm about to pick my hair to the gods. You know what they say about big hair. The bigger your hair, the closer you are to heaven. I just go in upward motions like this. Do this at the root in the beginning. Try to do it section by section. I'm not too precise with it, but this also helps to really break that gel cast, which is very nice. Just we like movement in our hair. And guys, if you know me, you know that I am not afraid to whip this thing out in public. People have tried to pig shame me before, and I'm like, nuh-uh, you mess with the wrong curly girl. Not today. I'm proud to pick anywhere. I'll be picking on the subway. I'll be picking on a walk. I'll be picking at your mama's house. I also really like to shake it out. And if you want even more volume, say at the bottoms of your hair, to really get that sunflower shape, then you can go ahead and do this technique of holding your hair from the bottom and gently pushing upwards. You see how it just makes the shape look a lot more uniform as opposed to choppy like this, where you can see where every layer ends and begins. Yes. If my hair isn't this big, I don't really feel like myself. So I really enjoy the volume. I really enjoy wearing it out like this. I think it's so fun. People have been asking me to film like my curly hair journey for years. And I've been wanting to do it for years too, but I guess I just never really made the time to do so. But now that we're in quarantine and I have nothing better to do, here we are, folks. Here we are. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. If you would like me to try any other products, I'd be happy to do so here. I have nothing but time now, girl. So I'm gonna be reviewing a lot of products. These two BounceCurl products have been my ride or die since I suffered the Avocado damage. I mean, I'm still suffering it every day, but they've just been so nourishing for my hair. There were like about 3 months where I couldn't even touch my scalp because it hurt so bad. And because BounceCurl's formula is so clean and organic, it's really providing my hair with the nourishment it needs. My hair used to be a lot more defined, but it's gonna be a process. Hopefully a shorter one than a longer one. It's gonna be a process to revive my curls to their fullest potential. I know that they can be almost as defined as these ones at the bottom are, but they're chemically damaged at the moment. But I am doing a lot of deep conditioning treatments and hot oil treatments while in this quarantine, and don't really have anybody to impress but you guys. Hence the face. It's all for you, boo. It's all for you. But yeah, I think we're done here. Damn, I wish I had somewhere to go now that my hair's so poppin'. I'll probably just take selfies for y'all. That's it.